Have you ever heard of the Bermuda Triangle? That mysterious patch of ocean where ships and planes supposedly vanish without a trace? Get ready, because today we're diving deep into one of the world's greatest mysteries. So, where did this whole legend start? The name Bermuda Triangle was first coined in a magazine article back in 1964, but the stories began much earlier. We're talking tales from the time of Christopher Columbus, who reportedly saw strange lights and had compass malfunctions in this very area. The region itself is a loosely defined stretch of the Atlantic Ocean, roughly between Bermuda, Florida, and Puerto Rico. For decades, it's been blamed for the disappearance of hundreds of vessels and aircraft. One of the most famous cases is Flight 19. In 1945, 5 U.S. Navy torpedo bombers vanished during a training flight. Even the rescue planes sent to find them disappeared. The official Navy report was chilling. We are unable to even make a good guess as to what happened. Then there's the USS Cyclops, a massive Navy cargo ship that went missing in 1918 with over 300 people on board. No distress call, no wreckage, just gone. It remains the single largest loss of life in U.S. naval history not involving combat. These stories fueled wild theories. Are we talking about alien abductions? A portal to another dimension? Giant sea monsters? Or maybe the lost city of Atlantis is down there, using its advanced crystal technology to mess with our equipment? The possibilities are as vast as the ocean itself. But let's pause the sci-fi movie for a second and look at what science has to say. While the mysteries are fascinating, many experts argue that the Bermuda Triangle is, well, not that mysterious at all. First, this area is one of the most heavily trafficked shipping lanes in the world. With more ships and planes, you're statistically going to have more accidents. It's simple probability. Second, the weather here is no joke. The region is known for its sudden, extremely violent storms and hurricanes that can pop up with little warning, capable of swallowing a ship whole. And what about those weird compass readings? Scientists point to something called electronic fog. It's a strange meteorological phenomenon where a thick, disorienting cloud can envelop a vessel, causing instruments to go haywire. Compasses spin wildly, and electronic equipment fails. Some pilots who have survived it describe a feeling of losing all sense of time and space. Could this be the real culprit behind some of the disappearances? Another mind-blowing theory involves massive underwater methane gas explosions. The seafloor in this region contains vast reserves of methane hydrates. If a landslide or seismic activity were to rupture these deposits, a gigantic bubble of methane gas could erupt to the surface. Any ship caught in this ocean berth would instantly lose its buoyancy and sink in seconds, leaving no trace behind. It sounds like science fiction, but it's a very real and documented geological process. So, is the Bermuda Triangle a paranormal vortex or just a place with bad weather and a lot of traffic? The truth is, many of the so-called mysterious disappearances have been solved or have logical explanations. Some ships reported missing were later found, and others sank during severe storms. The U.S. Coast Guard and other official bodies don't even recognize the Bermuda Triangle as a specific geographic area of concern. But even with all the scientific explanations, the legend lives on. It captures our imagination, tapping into our love for the unknown and the thrill of a good mystery. The idea that there are still parts of our world that we don't fully understand is both humbling and exciting. What do you think is really going on in the Bermuda Triangle? Is it aliens, methane bubbles, or just a lot of hype? Let me know your wildest theories in the comments below. If you were amazed by these secrets, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's greatest mysteries. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.